Hello, I am Wael Yahya, Certified Financial Technician Expert from the International Federation of Technical Analysts. In this video, we will apply the classical technical analysis methods to Walmart stock over the short term and why it is not as good as it seems. First of all, and as usual, let us check the major structure of the stock, and it is clear that we do have an uptrend line connecting the higher lows over many years since 2017, and here we go through a major channel line connecting the higher highs also since 2018. But finally, during mid 2022, we get a very bearish Japanese candlestick cancelling all the previous price action and breaking the major monthly upward trend line plus 3 months confirmation below the broken trend line. So this is a valid break and things are looking bearish over the very long term concerning Walmart. We can notice the size of the candle, we can notice the selling pressure, sellers are in full control, and of course I mean the long term ones. You can take notice that the volume was higher than average and exceptional. Okay, let us check the long and the medium term picture over the weekly chart. And here we can notice that the sideways ranging from $153 as resistance and the support at 134 is also broken. This sideways is also broken, and it was a joint break during 1 week when the stock fell down in great sellers control. It broke the support of the weekly chart, and it also broke the upward trend line from the monthly chart. So it is a double break. Sometimes we call it a joint break, where the stock broke below 2 different kinds of supports. So the trading range over the weekly chart is no more valid, and the break is confirmed by around 12 weeks of confirmation. And the stock is considered in a bearish environment over the medium term as long as it is below the red zone ranging from $134 up to $138 according to the volatility. Okay, let us have an eye over the volume over the weekly chart during the correction, and we can see that during the correction the volume was below average. Let us now explore the short-term details over the daily chart. Please, first of all, let us count how many times over the daily chart did Walmart successfully tested the 134 support area. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time it bounces upwards, sometimes short distance, sometimes long distance, sometimes medium distance, other times short, other times very long distance. So this was considered as a strong support for 6 different times. When we tested from the other side, I mean from below, it is going to work as resistance, very strong resistance. And this really took place when it approached the broken trend line from the monthly chart. You can see it formed a sharp peak and returned to the downside. And here also, when it approached the double resistance from the weekly and monthly, it sharply fell to the downside by a very big price gap. Let us check this by zooming in. Here you can see the giant price gap when it reflected from the double resistance. Concerning the upward short-term, ultra short-term move, we can see that declining volume is very clear, and this indicates that they do not have the upper hand over the ultra short term. So things in Walmart are considered bearish as long as it fails to break above 138 approximately. According to volatility, it is considered to be bearish as long as it is below $138 on closing basis, of course. So keep in mind, we may wait for signals in order to do some virtual trading, but this virtual trading will be on the selling short side, waiting for bearish candlesticks over the daily chart as well as the weekly chart. When these bearish candlesticks, when these reversal candlesticks start to appear, I think a virtual trade may be on the short selling side, targeting the nearest weekly support around $115, which means the target is or the profit is, or the potential profit is around $15 with a stop loss, of course, above the mentioned 138 level. That's it for now concerning Walmart. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon.